In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order samples on Printify. Printify is a fantastic platform for custom printing, especially for those of us who love to bring our creative designs to life on various products. Ordering samples is a crucial step if you want to ensure the quality and design fidelity of your products before offering them to your customers. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Printify website and logging into your account. Make sure your login credentials are ready so you can easily access your dashboard. Once you're in, familiarize yourself with the layout, as understanding the dashboard is key to efficient navigation. Now direct your attention to the left-hand menu panel where you'll find an option labeled Orders. Go ahead and click on that. This area is your hub for everything related to orders. Whether it's existing customer purchases or your own sample orders, it all begins here. As you hover over the top left area of the Orders section, you'll see an option to Create Order. Click on this to start the process. From here, you'll be presented with a few options, and what you're looking for is Sample. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can choose which product to order as a sample. Once you're in the sample ordering section, browse through the available items and select the one you're interested in. This could be a t-shirt, mug, phone case, whatever your creative heart desires. Once you've made your selection, it's time to customize it further. Be sure to select the right variations and sizes. This is important because you want your sample to be as close to your final product offering as possible. Double-check your choices here to avoid receiving incorrect samples. With your product and its variations selected, the next step is shipping. Click on the Shipping button to proceed. Here you'll need to enter recipient details and the shipping address. Make sure you input this information accurately to avoid any shipping mishaps. After everything's set, you'll need to calculate the shipping cost. Simply click on Calculate Shipping and review the costs associated with your order. With the shipping costs acknowledged, it's time to finalize payment. Click on Proceed Payment to reach the payment section. Choose your preferred payment method from the available options. Make sure you have everything ready, whether it's a credit card or any other payment method they accept. With payment details filled out, the final step is to click on Submit Order. And there you have it. Your sample order is now on its way. Ordering samples from Printify is straightforward once you get the hang of it. It ensures you see, feel, and test your products before they make it to your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!